create a birthday club, all you need to do is go to your dashboard and under the Mobile Tools section, select Anniversary Clubs. From there, you'll go to the Birthday Club section and click on Create a Birthday Club. In here is where you'll determine your birthday club settings. First, you'll want to mark your status as active. And then for the enrollment method, you'll want to select Auto-Enroll all contacts with valid birthdays. This will ensure that anyone that enters a valid birthday will automatically get enrolled into your birthday club. The next section will allow you to select the campaign that you'd like your text messages sent from, as well as when you would like that message to be sent. You can select on their actual birthday or before their birthday. If you select before their birthday, you can also determine how many days before their birthday you'd like that message to be sent out. From there, you can also select what time you'd like that message to go out. From here, you're going to go ahead and create that happy birthday message. Whether it's just a happy birthday message or a coupon is completely up to you. If you are going to attach a coupon, just make sure to include any appropriate information. If you've already got the coupon created, you can go ahead and select that coupon now. If you do not, you'll just need to come back in once that coupon is created and edit your birthday club settings to attach that. Once you've got your settings all set up, you can go ahead and click on Save Birthday Club Settings. And your birthday club is now complete. Your customers will automatically get enrolled and you will be all set.